The end of the timber industry, as Garibaldi knew it, would conclude in the 1970s. The original mill built by the Whitney Company had changed hands countless times through the 1940s until becoming the Oregon-Washington Plywood Plant, makers of Loctite plywood. Environmental concerns of the mill's smokestack would eventually close the plant in 1974. Later, some former employees tried to get the mill operating again.
The huge silent mill sits motionless on Tillamook Bay, its machinery rusting with plumeless smokestacks. But at least 100 former mill workers have banded together to try to reopen the place as a cooperative plywood manufacturer. They think they can sell the plywood and say they can get the logs, while the trickiest part is to raise the money.
A couple years after the Oregon-Washington mill closed, Jerry Creasy and George Smith bought the property lock, stock, and barrel. A marina and RV park would be developed. It was a sign of the times, as Garibaldi no longer sought old-growth Sitka spruce and now catered towards retirees and tourists. This would also be the final bow for the Sauce family in Garibaldi. Having worked the bay for half a century, they would now call Coos Bay their headquarters.
The mill went through another closure period, cutting off the supply of materials to be hauled out of here. And the company looked around and decided that they needed a bar with a deeper draft than is available or could be made available in Garibaldi, and began to make plans to move the operation to Coos Bay.